Welcome everyone. I am Aishwarya Singh and I'm your host for this event. PMS AIF World presents India's largest summit and awards. This event, ladies and gentlemen, is titled Crystal Gazing Next Decade for Investors. The theme for this year is Wealth Creation for Investors in the Post-COVID World. Now let me tell you a little about me. I have been a live show presenter and host for the last 12 years. The stage always beckoned me. It has been immensely gratifying to deliver meaningful content to my audiences. But 2020 changed it all for my profession. My world became virtual, and the only way forward was to embrace this change. When I was offered to host Crystal Gazing Next Decade for Investors in the post-COVID world, the attraction was instant. I knew that this event would definitely help us and provide us with the, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of knowledge that we need for investing in the post-COVID world. So at this juncture, I'm going to welcome all of you. And once again, I'd like to say that this could be your foray into the future where we can all grow our money. Now, PMS AIF World is an alternates-focused, new-age investment services company providing analytics-backed quality investing. And this quality service, the quality investing service is actually provided by distributing well-analyzed PMS and AIF products and offering investment service along with in-depth information for investors to make informed decisions, not just before investing, but throughout the wealth creation journey. PMS AIF World analyzes PMS and AIF products across the 5 Ps: people, philosophy, performance, portfolio, and price, with an endeavor to ascertain the quality, risk, and consistency attributes before offering the same to investors. Now, 2021 begins not only the new year, but a new decade. And each decade, as I always say, brings with it many changes which open the door to many opportunities. One of the biggest change that India witnessed in the last decade was the change in government, which brought many progressive reforms across sectors. This year's budget announced by the Honorable Finance Minister is the recent memory in this regard. The world saw creation of new needs as we have all become consumers of FAANG companies: Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. Ladies and gentlemen, this event is aimed at knowing really what lies ahead. 2020 was like a revolutionary year for humankind, and we have finally adapted to the new normal by adopting technology in most spheres of life. And this grand 3D virtual event with 30 speakers is an evidence in itself. This event has 9 partner associations, and I would like to highlight the same before we begin. Title partner, White Oak Capital Management; Gold partners, Avendus Capital Alternate Strategies; Axis Asset Management; MK Investment Managers; IIFL Asset Management. We have our silver partners, Helios Capital India, ICICI Prudential Asset Management, Motilal Oswal Asset Management, Sundaram Alternates. And we have a media partner for this event, Bloomberg Quint. So now, without further delay, I'd like to invite Mr. Kamal Manocha, CEO of PMS AIF World, to share a few words and a welcome note with our august audience. Mr. Manocha, a very warm welcome to you.
Thanks, Aishwarya. Thank you so much for such a perfect speech. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. On behalf of Team PMS AIF World, I welcome you to this event, Crystal Gazing Next Decade of Wealth Creation in the Post-COVID World. This event is for everyone: investors, advisors, and fund managers. In this event, we have planned to serve you a full course meal with ingredients like knowledge, ideas, and lots of excitement. So stay tuned, guys. This is a 10 hours event spread across 2 days with 10 discerning topics, 30 distinguished money managers, and 20 decisive award judgments. If you check out the agenda of this event in terms of topics and in terms of placement of speakers, you will see a lot of thought, a lot of insight behind it. All the topics have been very carefully selected after our meaningful discussions with 4,500 plus hours of discussions with our clients. These are the topics which every investor, every advisor would like to listen to. Awards, which is the last part of this event, will be presented tomorrow. And for awards, we have partnered with IIM Ahmedabad team, and we have evaluated data on the matrices of risk-adjusted returns. Awards have been analyzed absolutely on unbiased parameters and on logic. Aishwarya very rightly mentioned, one of the most important changes that happened in last decade was the coming of a new government, which brought many progressive reforms. And that big change, in my opinion, has prepared India over last decade. And we will see the next decade is going to be for India. Our aim at PMS-AIF World over next decade is to continue being in our journey to become India's most trusted, alternates-focused investment services company. To serve this segment, which we believe is going to see an explosive demand over the coming future. We are determined to create an ecosystem for informed investment decisions. We are already doing so by offering to our clients right information, right products, right services, and right attention to each and every client. With all these words, I would like to hand it over back to Aishwarya to start with the agenda of the day. And again, I welcome everyone. Over to you, Aishwarya. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Manoj Shah, for that wonderful and heartfelt welcome speech and for setting the tone for the day. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us Mr. Prashant Khemka, who is the founder of White Oak Capital Management. Now, let me tell you a little about him. Prior to setting up White Oak Capital Management Consultants LLP in June 2017, which is an investment advisory firm in India, Mr. Prashant Khemka spent 17 years at Goldman Sachs Asset Management, GSAM, from March 2007 to March 2017, and also for the Global Emerging Markets, GEM Equity, from June 2013 to March 2017. He won several accolades as the CIO and lead PM of GS India Equity. He and his fund won several awards, including AAA rating from CityWire and elite rating from Fund Caliber, among others. In addition to his long-standing India investing experience, he brings a unique perspective derived across developed and emerging market equities and has successfully managed US and global emerging market funds for leading institutions during the last 2 decades. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Mr. Khemka to deliver the keynote address on the theme, How to Steer Portfolio Towards Continued Wealth Creation Through the Path Crowded with High Valuation. So high valuation is what we're going to address. This is going to be a half-hour session. Let us all welcome Mr. Prashant Khemka. Mr. Khemka, welcome.